Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. In this particular video we are going to talk about the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and both of these devices pre-order has been started from yesterday. One is going to be the budget level device while the other one is going to be top of the line flagship level device. So this video is kind of a buyer guide, so I will tell you what are the specifications and which device is going to be better for you. So before going to the video, if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it and also press the bell notification icon so you can get notified for every new video which I upload my channel. So basically the first thing we are going to talk about in this particular video is about the front panel of both the devices and also the design. So in terms of design, both the devices are kind of similar because both are coming with a flat display and both are coming with the same notch on top of that, and in fact both the devices are coming with ceramic shield on the front and both are coming with a OLED display as well. So both of these devices are going to be pretty much similar, but the only difference between both of them is going to be the screen sizes. The iPhone 12 mini is going to be coming with a 5.4 inch of screen size, whereas the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with a 6.7 inch of a massive screen size, which means that if you have a larger screen, your content will be more and your interaction with the application will be even more better than the iPhone 12 mini 5.4 inches. Both are coming with a flat display, so I think that strategy has been very good from Apple. Obviously it's a personal preference, would you like a rounded corner or the flat display, but honestly I think that the flat display are looking gorgeous than the rounded corners. Even the bezels on both the devices, if you compare, you will see that they are pretty much slims in both the devices. Moving on towards the back side, the other main difference between both the devices is going to be the camera sensors present in both the devices. The iPhone 12 mini is coming with a dual camera setup, which is coming with a 12 megapixel of a main camera sensor and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera with an LED flashlight support. But the quality of the images between the ultra wide and wide angle in the iPhone 12 mini is comparable with the main and ultra wide cameras of the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. But in terms of iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's coming with a quad camera setup on the back side with a camera sensor of 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel of a telephoto lens, and a new LiDAR scanner that has also been implemented inside the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Another main difference between both the devices is going to be the camera sensor sizes. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with a bigger size of a camera sensor, which means that it will let more lights inside and it will help out in order to take a better night photography shots. Also, the optical image stabilization inside the iPhone 12 Pro Max is going to be even much more better than the iPhone 12 mini because it's going to be coming with a new optical image stabilization capabilities. We are going to see a 10-bit Dolby Vision recording inside both the devices. Both the devices are going to support the night mode in all three camera sensors. Hence, I think that internally both the devices are coming with the same A14 Bionic chipset, which is even faster than the last year A13 Bionic by 25%. The difference which I think that in terms of internals is going to be the RAM management. Basically the RAM in the iPhone 12 mini is going to be coming with 4 gigs of RAM inside, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with 6 gigs of massive RAM inside. And the RAM management inside the iPhone 12 Pro Max is going to be much better than the previous generations of iPhones and even much better than the iPhone 12 mini. Even though the iPhone 12 mini is coming with a 4 gigs of RAM, it doesn't mean that it is not going to perform very well. In fact, it is going to perform even better than the last year iPhone 11 series because of the new iOS which has been, and as we know that Apple provide the best in the class when in terms of optimization of the software. So I think that iPhone 12 mini will perform better even if having a 4 gigs of RAM. Moving on, we have one of the main and important highlights of both the devices is going to be obviously the 5G capability, which the iPhone 12 series has bring this time. Basically all iPhone 12 series is coming with a 5G capability inside, which means that you not only have the capability to have a sub-6 categories of 5G inside, but also you have a supported the mmWave technology inside. Next in the list is going to be obviously the new important changes that has been included is the MagSafe. That is going to be a magnetic type circular shape thing that has been implemented inside the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and they are going to provide you and in fact help you out in order to charge your device even faster. The 15 watt of a charging capability is going to be included in both the devices, and both the devices can charge using any kind of QI wireless charging support. In fact, we are not going to see any kind of charger inside the box, so that is kind of a disappointing thing for many of the users. So guys, at the end of the video, I think that both devices are capable of performing better in terms of the performance, and both of devices are coming with a pretty much good camera sensor as well. Although I think that the iPhone 12 mini has a lesser battery, it will not last for a whole long day. And if you are a guy who wanted to have a device which is going to be capable of performing well in terms of a full day use for iPhone 12 mini, then I think you should go towards the upper models of the iPhone 12 series. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about both these devices in the comment section below? And if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.